Stay tayo dito, araw-arawin tayo nito. Dito ako kinakabahan sa mga gantong simula eh.
Pinakamahirap lang mag-start. Once you start it, go for it.
Ngayon po kami ay nasa Union Football Stadium. Dito po kami na-walking at magkakaroon ng engagement.
Kailangan pa naming dumayo para talagang babangon. Pag kasi sa subdivision lang kami mag-walking, ayan, tulog-tulog lang yan. Pero pag may goal ka na, babiyahe ka pa, no choice. At ang malapit, sinama namin yung mga bata. So excited si Bunso. Tapos siya yung gumising ng maaga. Hindi na, ito na makakatawin.
Kaya jogging din sila.
Yeah. Una na sila sa amin.
Ayun yung mga kasama namin sa training. Iniwan na kami. So guys,
I'm on lap 3.
lap 3 ka na.
Tapos, low kayam. Nadilat lapang yun.
Ayun, lap 3 also. And we're here at
Lap 4 I can rest.
Union Football Field, Football Stadium.
I'm very sweaty.
And DJ is very sweaty.
I wish you could do that.
I'm just thinking, after this walk, we eat a lot. Hit the gym. So, what is your suggestion to all runner enthusiasts?
What?
Runner enthusiasts. What is your comment about runners enthusiasts? Is it okay?
Guys,
Yeah, is it okay? You can do it?
feels like torture. Walking even feels like torture.
Torture.
This is worse than Chinese walking torture.
What do you mean? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by
But I'm
that?
like going outside. What's going on there?
You're playing let's set it up the
Battlefield?
training field. You can try it. Dito po sila ng mga training. Ito, mga estudyante ng Union. Again. Please, again. Dito, again. 1, 2, 3, go.